Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to apply your eyeliner in the best possible way, and I really hope you will like it. Let's go straight into the video. So for today's video I'm going to use the L'Oreal gel eyeliner. Sorry. It looks like this. It's in very small cute package. I prefer gel eyeliner because I can work with it much better than with the liquid eyeliners. It doesn't go all over your eye and everything. It's very good for use, and with it you get also the brush for the eyeliner, and it's, if you ask me, it's the perfect one. It's thin and flat. Okay, so what I do first is starting from the middle of the eye and then continuing on the outer part. And then when we are near the tail of the eyeliner, I'm gonna use like something like a guideline. Piece of paper, a hairpin, anything that's straight. You can even use this piece of plastic. It has to be straight and thin, that's it. So it's going to serve you like a guideline for applying the eyeliner. The first important thing that I wanted to tell you is do not take too much product on your brush, because it's going to you're going to mess up everything. Trust me, I've tried. Okay, so now, as I said, I'm going to start from the middle of my eye and then continue towards the outer part of it. It's very important also to use a very short strokes and lay down your brush like this. Do not do those moves, because you're going to mess up everything. Like when you put the brush like this, you have more control and everything is going to look much better on the end, and it's going to be very easy for you. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Okay, when you came to the end of the eye, stop there and fill up the inner part of the eye. Now we are going to use that piece of paper that I was talking about in the beginning of the video. So you take it and put it on your eye. Make sure that you have a mirror in front of yourself. So I'm gonna do it like this. And you watch directly in yourself, not left, not right, not under, not above, just directly in yourself. And then you place it like it's the extension of the waterline. I don't know if you can see, but it has to be perfectly parallel with the waterline. And then you just make that final touch. Okay, after that we fix. And then when you did that, just connect those two parts with filling up this part here that looks like a hole. And you got the perfect line. Okay, now we are going to repeat the same thing on the other eye. So I'm going to look straight into myself, but with mirror. Okay. Okay, that's it. That's how my eyeliner look every day. Okay, on the end we put some mascara on and we are ready to go. Okay guys, that will be it for today's video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much. Bye!